everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
Let us solve an example based on the faults are taking place on the terminals of synchronous generator. Let me read the problem statement. A three-phase generator with an open circuit voltage of 400 volt is subjected to an LG fault through a fault impedance of J2 ohm. Determine the fault current if the positive sequence impedance, that is Z1, is equals to J4 ohm, the negative sequence impedance Z2 is equals to J2 ohm, the zero sequence impedance Z0 is equals to J1 ohm. Repeat the problem for LL and LLG fault. Let us solve this problem for the first case as the LG fault. We know that the sequence networks are connected in series via an impedance of 3ZF in case of LG fault with fault impedance ZF. So this is the interconnection of sequence network we need to remember, which is required while solving the problem. So noting down all the values Z1, Z2 and Z0 in this network as well as ZF. So as ZF is the value of ZF is given, 3ZF becomes J6 ohm. We have the expression for IF is equals to 3I0 in case of LG fault with fault impedance ZF. So we need to calculate IA0. So we have IA0 is equals to, if you observe this circuit, IA0 is equals to, that is the current flowing in this closed loop is equals to the EMF source EA divided by the total impedance, that is Z1 plus Z2 and Z0 plus 3ZF. Substituting all the values, one thing we need to remember, we have to get the phase value of the line voltage which is given 400 at an angle 0 degree. So we will get IA1 is equals to, IA2 is equals to I0 as minus J of 17.765 ampere. As we need IA0, so IA0 will become this answer. Substituting the value of IA0 over here and taking its mod, we'll get a positive value of IF as 53.295 ampere. We can repeat the same problem for LL fault also. We have the positive and negative sequence networks are connected in parallel via an impedance of ZF. So substituting all the values over here, we have an expression for fault current in LL type of fault is equals to √3 into IA1. So we need to calculate what is IA1. IA1 is equals to EA divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus ZF. Please observe this network. Substituting the values, we will get IA1 is equals to minus J of 28.87 ampere. Putting the value, the positive value after taking the mod, we will get IF is equals to 50 ampere. Also repeating the same problem for LLG fault with the same data, we need to remember how the sequence networks are connected in LLG fault with the fault impedance ZF. The positive, negative and zero sequence networks are connected in parallel, but in between the negative sequence network and the zero sequence network, 3ZF is connected. We have the expression for fault current in LLG fault as 3IA0. We need to calculate IA0. Expression for IA0 is equals to minus IA1 into Z2 divided by Z2 plus Z0 plus 3ZF. But further IA1 is unknown. We need to calculate IA1, that is IA1 is equals to EA divided by Z1 plus into bracket Z2 into Z0 plus 3ZF closing the bracket divided by Z2 plus Z0 plus 3ZF. Substituting all the values over here, we will get IA1 value. Take this IA1 value and substitute in this expression, we will get Ia naught is equals to J of 9.24 ampere. Take that value of Ia naught, further substitute here, you will get If is equals to 27.72 ampere. One thing you need to remember is 400 is a line voltage. You need to convert it to a phase voltage while doing the calculation. Thank you for watching this video.